we have Ms. Ritu Murjani. Ms. Ritu Murjani graduated from IIS University in the year 2018. She pursued ACCA qualification along with her BCom honors degree at IIS and became an ACCA affiliate in January 2020. She presently works as an advanced associate with Ernst& Young GBS Gurgaon. So welcome Ritu. And now I request you to share your experience with our audience, with our participants, your experience from a ACCA student to ACCA affiliate.
Namaskar, a very good morning to everyone. I'm so thrilled to believe that from 5 years down the lane, I was right there in the audience with tons of questions and queries popping out in my head, like why I should be doing ACCA, why at IIS University, what would be the level of difficulty of the course, and where will I land after completing the qualification. So it's completely natural for you all to have these questions at this point of time. So starting with my journey, like how I got into the course. So coming from a commerce stream in high school, it was natural for me to have an interest in accountancy, but I never had a plan of pursuing any professional qualification. But when I came to IIS University, I got to know about the integrated program the university was offering. That is the BCom Honors in Applied Accounting and Finance. So what really brought me towards the course was that after 3 years, I was getting two things in my hand: a professional qualification ACCA and a regular BCom honors degree. So, and that too, I didn't have to put much efforts or special efforts because the syllabus of both qualification degree were in hand, and they were like somehow planned semester wise. So, and about ACCA, I got to know that the global recognition the qualification was offering was really fascinating to me. So out of 195 countries, ACCA been recognized in 181 countries. So that was really attractive for me. And not just that, but Big Four being the major employer, it sounded really captivating for me. And I surfed a lot on the internet before making the decision. I joined LinkedIn. I talked to many professionals, heard their experiences. And since I had lots of queries, I always had Mahima ma'am as an answer to me. So during my ACCA journey, there has never been a single time where I faced any obstacle alone. I always had my ACCA batchmates and my faculty as a rescue to me, and providing well experienced professional trainers from ISDC. IIS University provided me with one of the finest classroom learnings, where I got to learn that how to orient my theoretical and conceptual knowledge into the answers which the examiner was really expecting in the paper. And trust me, this is the key to clear all your exams. You need to know that what is expected out of you in the paper. So, and the classroom training was not something which was refined, which was limited to learning some accounting methods or financial modules, but it was more of like the faculty made sure that we are updated about the industry changes, and from that's where I inculcated a professional behavior and was updated about the industry time changes and requirements. So with timely provided study resources, well-oriented classes, and exam-focused trainings, my experience of ACCA at IIS has been really exceptional. So yeah, this is what answers like why IIS University. So during like 3 years of my college, I did have a realization that I was doing something extra, and this is surely giving me some edge. But when I actually interviewed EY for the very first time, my resume did make me stand out of the crowd of like 200 people over there. So that's where I got to know that this ACCA is surely making some change, making some impact on my resume. So the interview went pretty well with me, and I got placed at EY, and I could actually vision my dreams coming into reality, cracking your very first interview, getting placed with a dream employer, Big Four. So I couldn't imagine things getting any better for me. Then I joined EY in September 2018 as an audit associate. I'm still working over there, and experience at EY is something like new challenge, new learning, and it's like a whole lot of excitement over there. whatever I learned in my ACCA, like the financial standards, the IFRS, the auditing standards, it is really making me perform a little better at my job. And at in my team, I'm surely getting a recognition because of ACCA. I'm the only advanced associate who is having a qualification in a hand. So that's like I realized that I did make a right decision at a very right time. And like EY itself promotes and sponsors qualifications like ACCA and CPA. So even they want their employees to be well versed with the dynamic accounting changes in order to provide exceptional client services. So even like just to mention that if it gets mandatory for you to have some qualification in your hand to step up the ladder. Like for promotion, it becomes really necessary and mandatory to have a qualification. So yeah, this was my experience, like from where I started as an ACCA student, then affiliate, and someone into corporate. I know that this journey sounds like very amazing and all positive, but trust me, there's no success story without failure. So I did flunk at few attempts at the very first time, but it didn't really stop me or didn't push me back, but rather I was more determined to experience that how it finishes to end things. So yeah, like it was a great journey. And see, even if I'm remembering my ACCA time, I don't even know that how hard it was. Like sometimes I face difficulty with some papers, but now I'm all done. So it's really a great experience. So just to sum up things in my experience, firstly, like one my like take my advice that socialize on LinkedIn, like talk to professional over there. LinkedIn is surely going to be a very powerful tool from the moment you get into the qualification, from the moment you are having a job until the moment you are there in the corporate sector. LinkedIn will benefit you at each and every stage. So make LinkedIn your new Instagram or your new Facebook, and it is surely going to help you. And secondly, never fear your failure. Like make it your strength and always push yourself that you are surely going to achieve. And it is surely amazing feeling to have things completed. So yeah, it was great to share my experience and with all the ACCA ACCA people over there. And thank you.